This is the DJI Osmo 360 camera. Okay, so we will open it. Tadaan. Okay, this is the moment of truth, guys. So tingnan natin what is inside the box. Since this is the adventure combo, guys, this is the adventure combo of DJI 360. So tingnan natin, guys, kung ano ang laman sa box. So we will start with the bigger box. The bigger box, guys, is ang laman ay ang una, this is the pouch. Lalagyan, guys, ang lalagyan pouch, and inside is the cable and mount, this one. So sa loob. Next thing is the charging port. We'll open it. So may tatlong battery, guys, sa loob. 1, 2, 3. So 3 batteries inside the charging port. Okay. So next is, of course, sticker. A lot of sticker. Tingnan natin, buksan natin, guys. Okay, sticker and the manuals here. And another thing inside the box is, we'll open this one. This is the cover. Yeah, cover of the camera. That. Okay. Now we'll go to the small box. Small box is, of course, camera itself. Okay, and the last part is the stick, the invisible stick. Okay, this is it, guys. So all in all, ito ang lahat na nasa loob ng ating adventure combo box. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless to